This conference will now be recorded.
Is my voice audible?
Yes, Vijay Garu.
Yes.
We're able to hear your voice now.
Hello. Hello. Am I audible, guys? Hey, are you able to hear my voice now? Hello. Hey, from Career IT, are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, thanks, Mahesh. Thank you. Yeah, sorry guys, sorry for the late. I think somebody left from the call. That's not an issue. Okay. So, so may I know about you briefly in one or two words from starts with Mahesh?
So, Vijay, hi, this is Mahesh Nirmala. Actually, I'm into US staffing. So, I want to learn Power BI.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. So Vijay, Vijay, I think Vijay is having some problem. Vaishnavi?
Hello, this is
Yes.
Vaishnavi. I'm doing my master's in USA presently. I'm new to this Power BI. I don't have any idea on it.
Okay, so you're in US now?
Yeah,
Okay. Oh, good. Thank you.
thank you.
So Sai Krishna? Sai Krishna, are you there? Okay. So Tyagaraja? Tyagaraja, are you there? No response. So Sanjay? Sanjay, are you there? Hey, hi Tyagaraja. Can you please give me two words about yourself? Oh, give me 1 minute. Yeah, I gave you. think there is no control of this mute and unmute for yourself. So I sent you an unmute request. Yeah, even you can chat, no issues. You have any problem? Hey, you can chat Tyagaraja. Okay. So Tyagaraja is from Chittoor, and what about your profession, or are you doing any job, or you're looking for job? Okay, as in you're working in Bangalore, as in? Accountant. Okay, super, super. So Vaishnavi, can you please tell about 2 words about yourself? 2 words about yourself. Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, are you there?
Hello, I have already spoken.
Hey, Harshavardhan, what about you? Harsha, am I audible?
Yes, yes, Vijay.
Is this Mahesh
Yes,
or
yes.
Harsha? Yeah, Mahesh, can you please tell us 2 words about you?
Yeah, I introduced myself first.
Okay, so I got some chats. Sai Krishna is also looking for job, and Harsha is also looking for job. Great. Okay. So nice to meet you guys here in this platform. So guys, one more thing. So people, somebody, is there anyone missed? Is there anyone missed, or everybody is covered? So silence means I hope it's no one is missed.
I am the. Hello. Hello,
Sorry?
Vijay.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm able to hear you, Nilima.
Yeah, I'm new to this Power BI. I thought of learning of it.
Okay. So
I'm a
what is your
homemaker.
background? Wow, super. Okay.
I want to
Okay.
restart again.
Oh,
I
okay.
took
Previously, you
maternity.
done any IT job?
Yeah, I worked in IBM
Oh, okay. As in?
as an associate system engineer.
So you have some idea on, okay, IT, how IT works. Okay. Super. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. So anybody else, or can I start from my side? Yeah, let me share my screen. Okay. So are you able to see my screen? Are you able to see my screen?
No, no.
Okay, guys, what you are expecting from this class? So did anybody answer? So you have certain expectations, right? So what do you expect from this class? So am I audible? Am I audible, guys? Hello? Am I audible? No response?
Yes, Vijay, go ahead.
Okay. So what do you expect from this class, guys? So nobody is responded. Why? Okay. So okay, I got your. I got that there is no expectations to anyone in this class. That's it. So from my side, actually, so let me share my screen. I think is it audible now? Is that visible now?
Yes,
Yes.
Vijay.
Yeah. So this is just a brief introduction. So from my side, so I'm having around 14 years of experience in uh, two sites, that is IT and non-IT projects, and even I work as with different designations and even in different domains. So in these 14 years, and at the same time, even I worked in different technologies. But the thing is that mostly I worked on backend technologies like SQL Server development, MSBA, Power BI, and recently I moved into Azure, and even uh, I moved into Tableau also. So these are my core skills. So even I have an experience in this training in India. Even some of the students I have in US and Europe, so Southeast Asia. So like that. So I work with different global companies, and even currently I'm working as an technology lead, and so I used to go to different databases like SQL, Oracle, and SAP. So people who comes from something a bit from the IT side, they can understand, and but the people who doesn't come from IT side, so they are a bit tough to these technologies what I'm speaking. But no issues, guys. So I'm having in IT as almost 14 plus years of experience with different roles. So so now what is our goal? Okay, so generally here, uh, people who learned Power BI have different positions in the major corporations, like report developer, or an data analyst, or an data engineer. So whenever you are into the market, you heard these are all the positions opening. Okay, So these are all the positions openings. You are eligible for those positions. Okay, so that means you can work as a report developer, or you can work as a data engineer, or you can work as a data analyst. So these are all the positions you can see or vacant, and you can apply and you can go through your job once you are familiar with this Power BI. So this is going to be an almost 6 weeks course kind of thing. So it's completely a bit I covered on SQL Server and development and the full course of the Power BI. Okay, just I gave you some sort of introduction to intermediate level SQL queries, and then I started the Power BI. And in Power BI we have different concepts, right? So did anybody saw any course content related to Power BI, or you didn't receive anything? Guys, please interact, guys. If not, I don't know whether you are hearing or not. I don't know whether you are understanding or not. Hello? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Hey, I don't know why people, if you are not speaking, I will call name by name then. I'm going to make this as a site. Okay. So, Mahesh, did you see any, did you receive any course content from Career IT?
No.
No?
No.
So, okay then. What you are expecting from this class?
Like, see, so I have a basic knowledge on that, like Power BI.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So I want to learn this Power BI.
Okay. Okay, guys. I understand. So generally, people comes in this class in a different mindset. So somebody suggested that Power BI is good in the market, and somebody is going to tell that so Power BI is easy, and Power BI is easy, and we can learn it in a faster way. So these are all different. I know that people attended in this meeting with an different mindset and all. But what is the thing here is an Power BI is an one BI tool, and mostly people are using now it as an reporting tool. So what is reports? What is reports, guys?
I mean, it's data, basic data, I think so.
Mm-hmm.
Data from companies.
Data in structured form. Right?
Okay, super. So I think recently everybody see some sort of maps and some sort of charts kind of thing that related to this COVID cases. So did anybody see that?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so that means it shows one map, and in that which area is affected more and which area is affected less, and how many people are affected and how many people are recovered. These are all the things you can see in your mobile, right? As a news or as an looking for, or at the other cases. So these are all the recent scenarios you've gone through. So for example, you are going to take the vaccine. So that vaccine is available in which area or in which hospital? Okay, slots are available or not? These are all. And the least case, so people are seeing this people are trying to book the tickets, right? So what you are going to see, how many are available, so in which theater it is available, and which is the fast filling tickets. So these are all the things, right? So what do you understand? So these are all the things who is nothing but whatever you are seeing or whatever we are using daily life. So most of the things are going to be the reports. Okay, these are the some simple examples what we are seeing daily, like the recent COVID cases and the theaters that is going to book the tickets and all. So it was showing. So what it is, for example, if you take this COVID cases, what it is giving, guys, what it is giving,
Information.
information, right? So based on that
Yes.
information, do you think anything? Okay, so two things, guys. So after generally after seeing that information, so you can analyze. Okay, so this area is doesn't have the less number of cases, so I can travel to that area. Okay, so that means next decision. So you can take the next decision based on that report or based on that understand. Okay, so that's what the report gives you. So the same way, so if the same way while you are booking the tickets, so if it is available, what is your next decision? If it is not available, obviously you're not going to continue. If it, or otherwise you can go with the next theater or and the other movie that is in your second preference. Okay, so that means, so what you are doing there is analysis. So the data whatever we present in the report, so that you are going to be analyzed. Okay, so data can be present in the report either on graphical way or the maps or an textual way. Okay, so anything, but it gives some information to take some decisions. Okay, so do you think that reports are useful in our life?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so not only in our life and even a business or even in your home. So some people have an habit of making this many expenses, and this is what the savings, these are all the things. So what we are doing, we are going to consolidate the data and we are trying to, okay, what is the last year, last month expense, and what is the current month expense, and what is the savings is going to be increased. So these are all the things. Even people are, some people are habituated, not everyone. Okay, so these are all the things they are going to make, put it in Excel and see that how they are going to be grown as an financially. Okay, so these are all is going to be an reports, and those reports we can. So now, so what is our training highlights? So how the training is going on here? Okay, so this is a knowledge based training, guys. So most probably first 3 or 4 days you don't have any assignments, and next when I am discussing these practicals and all, you have an daily assignments. Okay, and at the same time practice exercises, and daily before starting my class, you have some sort of questions what is completed up to that time. Okay, and so assignments, and I will give you once the development is done. So here there is an two parts in Power BI. One is development, and another one we can learn the service and all. So before moving the service, I will give you one mini project kind of thing. You need to complete that, and I will share you some sort of ebooks that is important for your practice. And mostly it was an training is 80% practical and 20% theoretical. So mostly you have only 15 or 10 to 15 minutes is theory daily, and remaining all you can see it as an practical way how we can do and how we can practice and all. Okay, so we can be available at any time, or otherwise if you are not comfortable to speak in class, we can even ask the doubts and all apart from class also. Okay, so certification guidance we will give. So on-site job assistance and all, it's not related to the guys who is there in the local, and resume. So I will tell you how you can prepare the resume and all. Okay, and mock interview. So if anybody to want and mock interviews, that means how your skills are and where you need to improve and all. So we will anyway we will support you in all these stages. Okay, so who should take this course? So any person who is interested. So first thing, what is the first important thing that while you are learning a course, guys?
Interest.
Interest, right? So one thing, guys, so interest is the main thing. Okay, I will answer these guys. What are the questions? Yeah, super. Chagrajli is having more dedication. Super, super. So learning and course and attending and course is not at all the thing. That is the first step for your interest. Okay, so once you start the course, you need to practice parallelly, because as per my understanding, no one is uh, joined here as an, I mean, say, joined in this session as an freshers, right? If I am not wrong. So everybody is having some sort of other background, or some sort of even I think Chagaraju, I heard that some people doesn't have any job and they are looking for a job. So are those freshers, or they are having any gap in between your career? That means who told that? Okay, 2019 BA passed out, Sai Krishna and Harshavardhan. I think people who is like this, they are trying to put some fake experience, right, guys? If I am not wrong, and hear the voice from Sai Krishna and Harshavardhan. Harshavardhan, what is your plan? Are you there?
Hello.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, tell me, Harshavardhan. So what is your plan?
I'm looking to join in an IT sector, sir.
Uh-huh.
I'm eagerly waiting to join in IT sector. Before going to that, I wanted to make an
Yeah.
IT course.
So yeah. So I got your point. So people who are trying to put some sort of experience, or people who are going to be in a next level in the same company. So a different uh, things are happen based on the different people's situation. But the thing is that what is my suggestion is, so be active. So I need these sessions in an, these are not people, I mean, you guys don't think this is a training, this is a session. Okay, this is a session, you need to talk, and even I need to talk. So that means if it is an interactive only, the session is successful. Okay, So daily the sessions are like that. If you are not speaking, I will make you speak, guys. Okay,
Okay, sir.
communication is also, yes, communication is also important in IT. Okay, people who are already working, they know that how important it is. Okay, and the people who are now going to join, so they need to understand that. So communication is important. You need to speak out what you are thinking, and the other, whether it is wrong or right. Okay, I'm not going to beat you guys, or I'm not going to scold you in the class. If it is right, so I told you right. If it is wrong, I will correct you. That's it. Okay, so, and the other thing is, so this course is for non-IT professionals and entry level, and anyone having logical and analytical thinking, and system analysts and programmers. So logical and analytical thinking, I think people have this, right? You guys have or not? Logical and analytical thinking. Okay, so everybody who is having some sort of logical and analytical skills can able to easily cope up in this course. Okay, so this is what, who is going to take this course. Okay, so one somebody asked that what is the things are covered in this course. So let me open that. Even I have able to see my screen, right? Okay, so so this is the course content, guys. So you can learn Power BI, Power Pivot, Power View, and Power Map. Okay, and desktop and Power Query. So we have different things in Power BI. So people who already see other curriculums and all, so they can know that. So first is going to be the introduction to Power BI, and overview of what is the BI concepts and why we need BI. So introduction to SSBA. SSBA means self-service BI, and why Power BI. So why we learn Power BI instead of the other tools, and what is Power BI. So what makes the Power BI as an unique in the market. So building blocks of Power BI and getting started with Power BI desktop. So this is what mostly, that's why I'm telling you guys. So in the first 1 week, it's going to be an introduction. So to make you comfortable with the tool, and even to make you why you are learning this tool and all. Okay, so getting started with the last day, I'm going to show you how, what is desktop and how the desktop will work to go with the further practice. So now, so in the desktop, so we can see extracting data from various sources, workspaces in Power BI, data transformation, measures and calculated columns, and query editor. So these are all people who have some understanding. So these topics is going to be somewhat familiar. If you don't understand, you can understand while we are discussing in the classes, but I'm telling you what is covering in these classes. Okay, so Power BI desktop, so extracting data from various sources. So if you have data in Excel, how we can show the data as a report. If you have data in text file, or the notepad, how you can extract and show it as an report, and what is measure and what is calculated measure and how we can create that. So these are all going to be discussed, and how you can transform the data. Transformation is nothing but, what is transformation, guys?
Changing one.
Yeah, changing one form to the other form, right? So people are using this word these days, transformation. So body transformation. So that means instead of fat, you're going to be lean. Okay, so these are all is nothing but changing. Transformation is nothing but changing to one form to the other form. And the query editor. So how you can edit the queries by using the query editor. So these are all going to be shown in the second sessions. Okay. Next is the DAX. So in these DAX, only we cover the modeling data and manage data relationships, optimize data models, what is DAX, data types in DAX, and calculation types, DAX functions. We have different types of DAX functions here. Almost it's nearly we have 300 functions, guys, in DAX. So we are not going to discuss entire one, but mostly whatever we are using day-to-day life and what is the things that we are gone through, our requirement and all, we will learn that DAX functions in this DAX function session, and how we can create and measures by using the DAX. So DAX is nothing but data analysis expressions. Okay, so that is going to be covered here in this third session. And next is an visuals. So that's what I told you, guys. So data can be showed in multiple ways. It can be showed in an textual way, and it can be showed in a chart, or it can be showed in a maps. Okay, so how it is going to be showed by using different visuals in the Power BI. Okay, so these are all the things we can learn in the data visualization. And next is an Q&A data insight. So Q&A is nothing but we have an one of the option in Power BI. That means if you ask the question, whatever the data that you have in that Power BI, it will answer. Okay, what is the yearly sales? If you ask that question by typing that question, it will immediately give you based on the data whatever we are having. Okay, that's what the Q&A. And next is an connectivity and different gateways. So these are all a bit advanced concepts, guys. So what is live connection and what is gateways, and how we can connect with the Azure and introduction to API. So these are all a bit advanced topics. So once you are comfortable up to here, so we'll go to the advanced topics, and even we can see the services and all in the same sessions. Okay, so this is the content that I'm going to be covered in these classes. Okay, so did anybody have the questions on this?
No, Vijay, no.
Yeah, Chapani. Yeah, tell me. No questions.
No questions.
Okay, so from my side, I have one question. What is BI?
Business intelligence.
So what is business intelligence? I think who told that this is Sanjay or Neelima?
Neelima.
Okay, what Neelima? Okay, so what is business intelligence? Okay, so guys, so we have a lot of if you see in the market, we have a lot of BI tools. So I will tell you what is this tools and all. So, but what is BA means? That is right. So business intelligence, and the thing, the full form itself shows that you're giving or you are making your business in an intelligent way. Business means any business. So any business. So for example, you are having an hospital. Okay, how it is working. Okay, how the revenue, how much revenue you are getting. So even that is a business. Or you are having a small tea shop. So even that is a business. Okay, every business needs an intelligence. Why? Because you need to take the successful steps, not the failure steps. Okay, so that means you need to think of based on your data. So for example, I have an one manufacturing company. So I introduced a new bike or new car. So whether that is really helpful to the people really like that. So how you can know that? Based on the sales of that car. Okay, so you can see either in 3 months or in 4 months. Then you can see whether that car is sold in a highway or people are not interested to buy. So that's why people are gathering these surveys and all. So whether they are interested that, or whether they like that design, or whether they like that features that is provided in that car or on bike, the new product whenever they introduce. So these are all the things, these are all the data they can take into the consideration and think that what's next. Okay, either we need to stop the manufacturing, or we need to add some sort of more features, or what the people are expecting from that. So these are all the things they are going to take the consideration. Okay, so that's why guys, so business intelligence is the one of the key role to take the next decisions in the business. Okay, that's why whatever the BI tools, these are all useful for the decision making. The ultimate goal for these BI tools is nothing but or and reporting tools, most probably the reporting tools. So whatever you heard, Tableau, Power BI, and Cognos, Click, a lot of reporting tools are there. These are all useful for intelligence. Okay, so to make the next decision of a business. Okay, so that's all from my side, guys. You have any questions from your side? So even in depth we are discussing how the BA works and what are the different stages that we have in BA and all. We'll learn in the starting of the classes the basics. So then we move to the Power BI, and then we continue with the Power BI topics whatever I discussed now. So anybody have any questions? Silence means no questions. Hello. Yeah, am I audible? మీరు సైలెంట్ ఉంటే నాకు డౌట్ వస్తుందండి, అసలు వింటున్నారా లేదంటే ఏం చేస్తున్నారని. I think everybody knows Telugu, right? For this also I'm not getting any answer. Am I audible?
Audible, sir.
Okay. Speak out, guys. Speak out. If you are not comfortable in English also, I'm in Telugu guy. You can speak out in Telugu. I'm not that much familiar with Hindi, but I'm able to answer your questions if anybody knows Hindi well. Okay, but whatever it may be, whatever the language and whatever the doubt, you need to speak out. That you need to learn in. Okay, not in these classes. You need to learn in either outside of this class also. Okay, so communication is the base for anything. How you can know that whether you know or not, or you have some sort of clarification or whatever it may be. So now I'm one more time I'm asking before closing the session. So is there any questions or is there any doubts? So from your side?
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah. Okay then, guys. So I'm taking there is no questions from your side. So
Hello.
Hello,
yeah,
Vijay.
yeah.
Is it
Tell me.
audible?
Yes, it's audible.
Yeah. One quick question regarding the Power BI reporting service. Okay, how you are planning to tackle that
Power BI?
reporting service? I mean, okay, once we done the report development, okay, we'll publish the, reports to the cloud service, right? Okay, to
Yeah,
share among the
cloud
different,
service.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what yeah, carry on. So that's what I
Yeah.
introduced the gateways, and
Okay.
based on that gateways, how we can configure that gateway, and how we can go to the service part, and how we can deploy and creating an workspace, and how we can work with these apps and all. I will discuss that side also. That's why I'm telling. So there is a gap between your after completing your development and before completing this services and all. So there I will cover whatever the options we have in the Power BI in the service side also.
Okay, good. But to create the Power BI, okay, reporting service account, okay, we should have some kind of other domain, right? It won't allow us to create the account by using our personal email IDs, right?
So that there is an one workaround for that. So even that also we will discuss in the classes.
Okay, if there is a way, yep, that's fine.
Yeah, there is a way. There is a way for practice. No need to worry about that. How we can practice the
Yeah,
service and all. There is a way. Yeah.
yeah. Basically, dashboard creation and RLS and all other stuff will handle it at the reporting service, right? Not at the Power BI
Actually,
desktop level. So I think.
the row level security and all we can configure in the desktop level, but whatever the data that you are seeing, that can be affected in the service level. That is true.
Okay, fine. Okay, you people are having planning to cover that as well. Okay, that's good. Yeah.
Yes. So any more questions?
No, Vijay. Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Yeah, thank you. So I think any questions from others? Can I end this session? I think silence. No questions.
Yeah, no questions.
Yeah, then I'm going to leave from this session. Bye guys.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Thank you, Vijay. Thank you.